I think what draws me to landscape photography is that I spend my weeks fulfilling other people's briefs. Landscape photography is where I can go out and do what I want to do without a brief, clear my head. It just gives me time to stop and take stock of everything that's happening in front of me and think about life and solve the world's problems, basically. I'm looking for a scene, I suppose, that is simple, that has a nice graphic element to it. What I'm trying to capture is the serenity of the place. We're here in St Kilda, there's traffic buzzing away, but it's actually quite serene behind us. There's a couple of small jetties and piers behind me. I know they're very, very easy to photograph, but I want to try and photograph them in a slightly different way to what I have in the past anyway. All of the rules of composition are going through my head, you know, whether it be leading lines or rule of thirds or Fibonacci or anything really that I think is going to create a nice shot. It's probably a bit flat this morning. Normally I would like there to be a little bit more detail in the sky, because with a long exposure it's that detail in the sky that will move, that will give us that texture. I'm scared that today it might just flatten out a little bit, but we'll take it and see how we go. I might be able to bring some of that out with some contrast later. The technique that I use is a long exposure, so I slow everything down and it creates a sense of calm, of well-being, and that's really what I'm looking for, what I'm trying to extract out of the scene. My philosophy in the way that I work is still to get it right in camera and do minimal post-production. I generally convert to black and white. I use my colour channels in the black and white process, and that's where I really like the Fuji. It has really beautiful colours. So even though I'm producing black and white images, the colours are really important to me because I can tap into those colour channels to bring out contrast and make areas darker and lighter of the frame just by controlling the certain channels of colour. My first foray into Fuji cameras was with the X100, and what I really loved about that camera was that it was light, it was compact. I thought, this is a great camera, I just wish I could change lenses on it. And then they brought the X Pro 2 out. So I invested in that kit and that became my travel kit of choice. And now when I travel, I bring a couple of Fuji X Pro 2 bodies with me and just 3 lenses that cover pretty much everything that I need. And in a small camera bag, I can fit that entire outfit, and it weighs little more than a digital SLR with 1 lens on it. So I tend to take it with me everywhere. For travelling, I could not think of a better system. I have a library of images there that are memories that take me back to a certain time or place. But I also like that with photography, I can photograph something today, and by the treatment, by converting it to black and white, it actually becomes timeless. It could have been taken at any point in time.